Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the remarkable analysing power of BudgetLink's General Ledger Pivot Report Pack, which allows you to quickly and easily see your data in many different configurations. Firstly, we'll look at how easy it is to create a report, followed by some examples of reports. To create a report, we simply add the desired fields to a blank template. Now we'll add the account classification field, which automatically appears as a row label such that the account classifications are listed in rows down the page. Now we can see some values for those classifications by clicking the tax exclusive amount field. We can then slice the data by financial year. But instead of having that as a value, we'll make it a report filter, and then we can select the 2010 financial year. To see months going across the page, we make the month field a column label. If we only want to see the profit and loss data, we can deselect the assets, equity and liability from the account classifications filter. We can then move income to the top. If we want to drill down a bit further, we can select the account number and account name fields. So now we have the values for the profit and loss accounts for each month for the 2010 financial year. If we now want to filter that by job, we can just make job name a report filter by dragging it across. We can then select an individual job or multiple jobs. The report we've just created is similar to one already available in BudgetLink. Now I'm going to show you a report that allows you to drill down into further information. In the movement drill down by job report, we can look at expenses and drill down to see all the account names and all the amounts for the month of August in the 2010 financial year. We can then look at equipment hire lease and then see that there are 3 dates with transactions. On the 2nd of August, there are 2 purchase orders. If we drill down further, we can see the transaction memos. Another way to configure the data is to show account movement by job by year. On this report, we have years going across the page and jobs going down the page for all expenses. We can then see the data for a particular expense account by clicking the report filter and selecting an account. If we instead want to see this information by year and by job, we can simply change the fields around. We can also create a chart to display this data, and then we can edit the dimensions directly on the chart. This next report is an interactive version of the Myob General Ledger Detail Report for a particular year and month. For each account number, we can drill down and see all the dates that have transactions. For each date, we can see the source, in this case money spent, the transaction ID and memo, job number, job name, debit, credit and net amount. The No Job Analysis report is very useful for auditing, especially because Myob does not allow analysis on transactions that have not been assigned to a job. So by being able to select No Job and drill down to see the transaction ID and memo, it is then possible to locate the transaction in Myob and allocate it to a defined job. In this final report, we can easily compare data for different companies going across the page. The reports I've shown you are just a few of the many configurations possible in the General Ledger Pivot Report Pack. You can create your own reports to meet your individual needs and to answer specific questions that you have now or that may arise in the future. An advanced version of this report pack is also available. It contains all of the features and flexibility of the standard version, but also has extra fields available for analysis, including card name, line memo, and category. If you would like more information about the General Ledger Pivot Report Pack or would like to purchase it, please contact us at inquiries@accountingaddons.com.au or call us on 1300 add-ons, that's 1300 233 667.